Kumusta mga brad? Kilala nyo ba si Aking na isang TikTok star at filmmaker na kilala sa paggawa ng mga magic vines sa social media? Kung hindi pa, halina at sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang kanyang mga best magic vines na sobra talagang kinaaliwan hindi lang ng mga matatanda kundi maging ang mga bata. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka sa mga kwento at trivia na gaya nito. Let's go!
No, don't eat me! Don't eat me! No!
Oh, that's a sweet looking sky today. That's a tasty cloud. Grabbing a souvenir from France. Oh, merci beaucoup. Invisibility. Want to see some strange magic? Wow! It's really cold here in Finland. Dude, watch this. Oh, that was crazy. Where bunnies come from? Yeah. Bunny, hi! It worked. Being a tourist makes me hungry. Oh, this is our stop, dude! Come on, dude! Just making some coffee.
Whoa, what's going on? Whoa, too high! Too high! Help!
There's some clothes I don't put in the laundry just because, like this shirt.
Help me, I'm in the desert and I need water. Like this video in 3, 2, 1. Oh, thank you.
Time to face my greatest fear! I'm here in beautiful Dubai! Bleh, bleh, bleh. Hey, buddy! Over here! You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Here we go! Woo! Yes!
Nice.
Woo!
Man, I love Easter candy. Where bunnies come from? Yeah. Bunny. Huh? Pizza time?
Yeah.
Let's get it straight this time. Mwah. Are you kidding me? Hey guys, we're about to hit 15 million followers on Instagram. Thank you so much. If you want to be in our celebration video, all you have to do is take a selfie with the flag of your country and then go on over to Instagram. I hate how my wife is dancing with this hot dog.
Babe, he was so cute though.
Come on, dude, let's go. Hey, let's go. Hold on a second. Come on, we're gonna be late. Let me finish this.
Oh, I won.
It's got the ice cream.
If you kick a soccer ball just right, get a puppy.
And that's really why I like multiplication, because it's
I'm
really
gonna go check on the laundry.
okay.
Yeah, do you see him? Get him over there.
Out the trap.
One sec. Sorry, I'm back.
3, 2, 1.
Test 2. Slowly start turning your phone this way. Perfect.
Ah, brain freeze. Ah.
Lifeguarding.
Answers all of your questions about documentation and research. And what edition will we be using, class? It's right here on the board for you, class.
3, 2, 1.
Has anyone seen my drawing? It's a... Hey, cool costume.
Oh, hey, thanks a lot, man.
There you go. Would you like some punch?
Zach, I told you I was gonna wear this.
Okay, don't
I
freak
stayed
out.
up all night making
A
this.
solution.
I'm gonna win the
How does this even work?
And action.
Taking a soccer ball and pumping it up.
Go, Mark!